Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. This video is sponsored by Hida Home that reached out to me and sent me this dresser. It's a fabric dresser. It's very affordable and easy to put together. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. Thank you so very much, and keep on watching. This fabric dresser is very sturdy. You can see it has a manual instruction. I'm always looking for my manual instruction. As you can see, guys, my sister is turning it around so you guys can see it. It has a baby safety, but me, I don't really use it because I move my stuff a lot. Today I'm going to use it as an entryway, but you can use it however you want. In the closet or in the kitchen, it doesn't matter. And they have variety of styles and colors. You can go to the Amazon and check it out, guys. You don't want to miss it because you know I always have your back. There's a promotion going on. You don't need to DIY this because it will cost you less than $100. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below. You can check it out. This is a finished look, guys. Let me know, what do you think? Well, you can style it however you want since it's fall, so I was trying to create some fall vibe. As you can see, this one I put the lighter cube on the top and right now is in the middle. You can change it however you like. This year I'm not going to focus on myself. I'm going to do a house makeover for my baby sister. Guys, as you already know, I was in nursing school. Thank God I'm done, and I'm going to work on the house makeover. So I don't want you to miss none of this, and I'm already deep in the project. And stay tuned, guys, for my next upcoming videos because they will be fire. Keep on watching. Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time watching my video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!